Your primary goal in Pipedrive is to close the deals in your pipeline. A well-known saying in sales is that you cannot control your results, just your actions. For this, we give you the Activities feature in Pipedrive to make sure you keep working on closing those deals and nothing is missed or falls through the cracks. You can add activities from the pipeline on deals such as meetings, phone calls, or even a custom activity type, and give them specific dates and times as well as add notes. The activity can be linked to your deal, contact persons, and organizations in Pipedrive, and you can send an activity invite to your contact. Anywhere you are in Pipedrive, we notify you about the number of activities you still need to do today or that are overdue. Just click here to check your activities in the list. You can edit the data in your list here and filter out your activities based on type, user, or perhaps a specific time frame. And don't worry, we also have a full week calendar for you. Here you can easily see what your coming day or week is looking like. You can add activities from the calendar view itself, and you can also easily drag and drop activities through the calendar, or change the time the activity is set for. You can also technically add activities just for yourself without a set time or duration, but once you've completed your activity, just mark it as done over here, the activity list view, or here, the pipeline view, or here, the contact or deal detail views, or even here, your Pipedrive inbox. One neat feature of Pipedrive is whenever you mark an activity as done that's connected to a deal or contact, we'll immediately prompt you to schedule your next activity right away. This really helps you stay on top of your work and ensures that no sale gets neglected. And of course, you can sync your own personal calendar with Pipedrive. We sync with Google, Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, 365, all the usual major calendar providers. And you can choose between a one-way sync, where Pipedrive activities will sync just to your calendar, or a two-way sync, where calendar events will sync to Pipedrive as activities. To learn more about calendar sync, just visit the link in the video. Now, Pipedrive wouldn't be Pipedrive if we didn't allow you to customize your activity types, so head on over to the settings here and add any new types or disable default ones. You can also configure activity reminder emails that will summarize your activity to-do lists according to your preferences. And if you use the Pipedrive mobile app, your to-do list is the first thing you see when you first fire it up. Last of all, you can invite your customers to book a time that suits the both of you while avoiding the back and forth exchanges. And any time slots that are taken up by your scheduled activities will be omitted from your schedule to avoid double bookings. So now you have all the tools you need to stay on top of your sales activities.